Joining us now is a lady who's seen it all. When they wrote him off, she was there as a pillar of strength. And today, as he has proved all of them wrong and further entrenched himself in the politics of Maharashtra as a tall leader, she must be proud. Let's go straight across to her, Amruta Fadnavis ji, wife of Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis. Amruta ji, namaste, Jai Hind, बहुत बहुत बधाई. How does it feel?
Very happy, overwhelmed, and very thankful to Modi ji for his guidance, for his vision, and the hard work put in Maharashtra by each and every Karyakarta, and also by Devendra ji and his associates, Mahayuti, because of which this stunning victory was possible.
It's not just long ago when he was literally written off as a failure, as somebody who will not survive in Maharashtra politics. You were there as a pillar of strength. When you look back at that time and you look at today, what is going through your mind?
I just feel that people are the real judges of who is doing what for Maharashtra. And yes, there are ups and downs. Politics is synonymous to that. But one has to keep his integrity intact, keep on working for the people, and people recognize it one day or the other.
Amruta ji, you are his pillar of strength, and he has often said that. He said that to me too. And he finds a lot of strength, draws a lot of strength from you. What was his outlook ahead of this entire civic body elections? This was also quite tough. Was he ready for this challenge?
He was quite confident, and whenever I used to ask him what he felt about it, he always showcased a confident front, so which make others, even the Karyakartas and naturally me, confident that he would sweep it and Mahayuti would sweep it. And definitely people have very well opted out of caste politics, of regional politics, and come off it and and have voted for politics of good governance, politics of development, and the way infra has improved across various cities in Maharashtra. It's all to be seen. So it was awarded by people, rewarded by people, thankfully.
Well, we see the voter ink on your left index finger. ये मिटा नहीं? Because a lot of people are saying vanishing ink लगाया है.
मुझे तो ऐसा नहीं लगा. और देखिए अभी what all the reasons are given are really I think so they are excuses for the way they have performed. And I think so जो जीता वही सिकंदर है, ये मान के उन्हें सपोर्ट करके महाराष्ट्र के लिए बाकी भी लोग काम करें, यही मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट उनको कर सकती हूँ.
Well, this is in a way quite historic because the Thackeray Bandhus came together to fight for Mumbai. The Pawar family came back for Pimpri Chinchwad, for Pune. They all came together to mount this challenge saying, हमसे बेहतर महाराष्ट्र को कोई नहीं जानता. They all seem to have fallen at the hustings. Your thoughts?
I would just say that since last 2 years, Devendra ji had been tagged as a person जिन्होंने पक्ष फोड़े हैं और family story है which was hurting. But that these people have come together again. Thackerays who reunited after years, and even Pawars who recently reconciled. So I would say Devendra ji ने लोगों को जोड़ा भी है opposition parties के. So at least that credit should be given to him. And there's nothing to say about who knows the pulse of people more. It is BJP, the Mahayuti, which is relentlessly worked for the people, and they naturally know the pulse much better. The results are showing that.
So let me ask you this. Are you a little relieved or perhaps happy, looking forward that your husband perhaps will come back home not thinking of politics tonight and spend some quality time with the family, at least tonight?
I think so. I have already given him away for the betterment of people. So I'm not relieved that I would have his company more. In fact, I would have his little company even less, but I'm happy about it because I feel the goal for state development, national development is much higher, and this we are learning from our own Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, for the way he has left everything and just devoted himself to the betterment of his people.
Given him away for the service of the people. Wow, what a big sacrifice. That must be quite tough, Amrita ji.
That is not easy, but if you know the mission behind it, it's not difficult also. So you should know the larger perspective, how good largely it can do. Then minute happiness here and there doesn't matter. It becomes bliss for a lifetime.
So let me ask you this question, not as the wife of a chief minister, but as a Mumbaikar. What would you like the Mahayuti to do now for Mumbai?
The basic requirement for every common Mumbaikar should be taken into account, which constitutes of healthcare facilities for a common man should improve multifold, which includes education. The BMC or the corporation schools should have a drastic improvement from where it is, so that it can be comparable to any good private school. It should improve the commutation time and energy of people by the way of what they are already doing, like having coastal roads or metros. This will actually improve the time of people, commutation time, and even a little impetus on jobs through manufacturing and making the youth inventors of new technologies.
But Amrita ji, there's been heat directed towards you also. People have got very personal, trolling you, despite you not being part of this entire political structure itself. You're not at the forefront.
Oh, in fact, with some innocent songs released also, they troll me hard by saying that अब तो देवेंद्र जी का फ्यूचर गया क्योंकि आपने ये सॉन्ग रिलीज किया है या आपने ये कपड़े पहने हैं. तो that is mostly by opposition. So, but the women and youth of today have told them that an independent woman should never be targeted this way, and politics should be measured separately, not on the basis of lineage or on the basis of monetary power of the prime family, but on the basis of development which is reaching the last person of the society.
Beautiful message, but जाते जाते एक request है आपसे, 2 लाइन सुना दीजिए.
गाना गाने मत बोलिए, बाकी कुछ भी चलेगा.
पर मैं तो कह रहा हूँ बिकॉज आपके मन में जो है इस वक्त खुशी, वो तो आप सुना सकती हैं. कुछ तो कहिए, कुछ तो गाइए. आई एम हम्बली रिक्वेस्टिंग यू.
I won't risk that now because today I can't afford a trolling.
आपने कब ट्रोल्स की परवाह की है? इतना बड़ा आपको रिजल्ट मिला है, संक्रांति के टाइम में इतना बढ़िया हार्वेस्ट हुआ है, विक्ट्री का, खुशियां हैं, कुछ तो आपके मन में आ रहा होगा.
I would just say, I would just recite a few lines.
जी प्लीज.
हाँ, मुझे खुद पर यकीन है, ये कुछ ऐसा जुनून है, ये सारा जहां, ये ज़मीं आसमां, अलग मेरा ये रंग है, मेरी खुद से ही जंग है, जीत जाओ ऐ खुदा अगर तू मेरे संग है. This is for all the party cadres and everyone in Mahayuti who's worked hard towards this day.
Absolutely. What lovely words to end this conversation with. Congratulations to you, and also please do pass on good wishes to Shri Devendra Fadnavis and to the entire family on a phenomenal win and great performance. Really, he must be quite happy about this. Thank you so much. Namaste.